Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today's coding session started with a bit of housekeeping for the channel itself, followed by a rather interesting LeetCode problem. Let's get into it. This is day 41 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. So first up, a little bit of vital maintenance. The script I used to help prepare content for these videos, which does some web scraping, suddenly stopped working. Turns out, the website it was pulling data from had a UI refresh, and my old selectors weren't valid anymore. Spent a bit of time updating that, and thankfully, it's all good now. Always a reminder that relying on external web structures can be fragile. Alright, with that out of the way, I jumped into a LeetCode problem. This one is called Find Minimum Time to Reach Last Room To. Spoiler alert, it's a grid traversal problem with a twist on movement costs and timing constraints. The goal is to find the minimum time to get from the top left corner to the bottom right corner of a dungeon. This problem is solved using Dijkstra's algorithm, a classic for shortest paths. The state in our priority queue includes the current arrival time, grid coordinates, Arkham and C, and the number of moves made so far. A key aspect is that the cost of movement alternates. 1 second for the first, third, etc. moves and 2 seconds for the second, fourth, etc. Additionally, moveTime dictates the earliest time one can begin moving to cell, I,J. The min_arrival_times array tracks the minimum time to reach a cell, considering the parity of moves made, as this affects future costs. This approach ensures we find the optimal path by exploring states with the lowest cumulative time first, achieving a time complexity of roughly ORC log RC and space complexity of ORC. And that's a wrap for day 41. We tackled some script maintenance and navigated a tricky LeetCode dungeon. If you enjoyed the video, or found it helpful, please give it a like, consider subscribing if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've faced similar LeetCode problems or web scraping woes. If you'd like to support the channel further, you can do so over at buymeaboba.com. Every little bit helps keep the daily coding journey going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.